Hey everybody, I'm Psychosaurus, and today, well, there's been more changes coming into the game of Age of Empires Online, and oh boy, this one is pretty big, so I cannot miss this. So yeah, let's get into it. And before I start with it, there was actually also a developer blog about this, which you can read what's new in it as well, what it looks like, and also a teaser for the Indian Civilization developer blog coming in. Hopefully this Sunday, was it? Yeah, this Sunday. So maybe soon we'll start seeing more about Indians. I look forward to it. Okay, now to the changes. Well, balance changes, nothing. Sparta PvP updates. This one I'm just gonna say all the quests in Sparta for PvP. So 1v1, 2v2 got increased coin rewards. So more coins for PvP players. Don't really care about it. Bug fixes. Fixed an issue where several items with maximum range and critical hit chance effects had their stats incorrectly changed in the previous patch. I think something similar was last time I did this, isn't there? Okay, Celtic Bard holes, hotkeys where display text didn't match the upgrade research by the hotkey, fixed an issue with the Celtic town centers where the hotkey for reaching the Silver Age didn't work properly. Fixed an issue with the Roman market where the so pretty much issues with the hotkeys again. Fixed a tree's location in the city of Rome. Didn't you fix the tree's location last time as well? Well, whatever. This one's big. Quest updates. New quest available in Crete. Turn in stacks of Crete exclusive materials and pick one of the three Crete exclusive advisors rarity as reward. Yeah, I'll show it to you in a second. And art updates. Updated the selection decal of Babylonian and Norse capital city stores to match their 3D models. I don't know about that. Updated the 3D model for Pluto's blessed war shield to match its icon. And oh boy, this one made me kinda angry about it because oh boy, that shield looked really bad. Let me show it to you. So this is the old model. So I think this one is the similar to the Shield of Aeneas or whatever it's called from the Roman legendary store. And oh boy, I hate it. Especially on Hippospis because god damn, you can see even like the helmet going through the shield. This is disgusting. And now this is what it looks like now. And oh boy, I love this one. Especially on my Hippospis. Like oh my god, this looks really good. I like this. Tell me what do you think about this shield right now, because this looks pretty damn good. Okay, champion mode, nothing at all. UI updates the description for the Athens region to be more consistent with other regions. Yeah, I'm not reading those. Other updates, advisor loadouts now available, and this is the big thing here, so I'll show it to you in a second. Xlife changes, minor performance improvements, backend changes improve various login systems to optimize server performance. Okay, yeah, so if you want to read more from the dev blog about some of these changes, yeah, I'll put the link in the description, so check it out there. Okay, and now let's move on into the game. So we got the Crete change. So we got the Cretan Materia Burial quest right here from Minos. You can read this, whatever. And basically, it's a repeatable quest, and you need to gather 250 of each of the Crete exclusive materials. So cypress wood, Knossos marble, mineral tools. You need full stack, so 250 of each. That's about playing Elite Meet and Greet 10 times. And there's one thing about these materials. You cannot trade them. You cannot put them into the vault and send them to your other saves. You cannot trade them with players. It's pretty much bound to the save you're playing as. So I cannot just take my materials and send it to, let's say, to my Egyptian save. So I have to gather all the materials for that save. So if I want all of that, yeah, I either play Elite Meet and Greet 10 times, which is yeah a lot of epics, and oh boy. too boring for that. But this is actually pretty good. I like this idea because, first of all, you can get rid of your materials. If you have some extra materials, you can get rid of them and get some advisor for it. Especially if you're not dropping those advisors. And oh boy, I don't see them too often to drop for me. So it's a nice way to get these. Unfortunately, it's only a rare rarity. So unfortunately, you will not have the epic ones. Not the strongest version. Yeah, if I have to recommend, definitely grab the Woodsman Valen. If you don't have Epic Woodsman Valen, grab the rare one at least, because he's definitely worth using as an advisor. Great advisor in some cases. You can definitely use him. I think he's okay for Celts. You can use him as Norse if you're using Aldun. Build up those longhouses as soon as possible and get the extra wood from Aldun. So definitely, you want Woodsman Valen, at least you have a way to get the rare version. The other two, yeah, it's meh, who cares about these? You don't really care about this. Okay, now the big thing, which is the advisor loadouts. So, let's say you're playing a quest, you had this advisor set, now you're moving on to another quest, now you want to use some completely different advisor set. So let's say I use this in some quest. And now I'm gonna play Biome Oasis Legendary Quest, which is a water map. So now I have to like go through this. I have to click here. I want to select my Tutmos because I want the wood. I want to go here. I want to go for Horus for the stronger navy. And oh boy, that was a lot of clicks already here. Now I want to go Silver Age, Advisor, some water. I have to go again quite a lot of clicks, and yeah, Typhon for the Dutch, which again, he's at the end, so quite a few clicks there. So now you can see, notice these numbers. This is the sets of advisors we're gonna use now. So instead of like clicking all of this clicking, now all I have to do is just click on the number. And I have my advisor set for the Biome Oasis. This saves a lot of time. Oh boy, it's been really annoying doing all the clicks just to reach the specific advisor and also looking for them. Because I mean, if we just take a look, there's way too many advisors in Bronze Age and Silver Age. So like going all the way to the end and then realizing, oh boy, I missed him. So going back, yeah, this change is a huge quality of life improvement, saving a lot of time. And if I want to go and do some other quest, well, I click here, bam, I got my other set, and we can do some other quest now. So definitely saves a lot of clicks here and there. Definitely great. I love this change. Can be a lot faster going into the quest. So yeah, if I have to recommend, use this as much as you can because it's gonna save you a lot of time clicking all of these cards. So yeah, if I have to recommend some sets, definitely go with some like common set you use typically. So let's say I use this where I go like infantry with ballistas as my Greeks. Then I have something like cavalry set, so I go with Apollonius with let's say Hathor, or I can just go here and switch to Castellanos. If I do like one change in the advisor, that's pretty okay. And yeah, and probably you can do like some third set. I would leave fourth set more open to something like unusual you do. So you have like your common build, you have like common calorie build, you have something else, and then you have something where you do like something unusual, where you could like experiment. So I would leave this one open. And fifth one, yeah, leave it for the water map, so navy, so something like this. Definitely great improvement. I love this. Also, another change which was not mentioned in the well the log changes, but it's mentioned in the developer blog, and we can see it right here. Hopefully, well, Well, it's barely noticeable, but if you take a closer look, you can see now that the advisors, you can tell which advisor is Celeste advisor and which one is classic. Well, you could tell it before, because if you take a look at the classic advisors, you can see the background, which is like really smooth. But you take a look at the Celeste advisor, you can see it's quite rough. You can see like some spots here, right? But here it's rather very smooth. Well, that's one way, but some people might not notice this. So now you can also see a Celeste icon behind the advisor description. Well, it's barely visible, but it's there. Believe me. If you don't see it, then go into your game and you can try it for yourself. Compare it to like take a look here at Alexandra. You can see like the Celeste icon. There's like this C. There's like the red red circle, but it's blended in. And then you have Tycho, and there's nothing here. There's nothing here. You can see it. It's very visible. So yeah, you can now tell which advisors are Celeste and which are classic. Okay, and also be careful. There's been quite a few bugs with these. Recently there was a bug where you could open this window in the quest. I haven't seen it myself, but it's been already fixed. But there's a new bug, and oh boy, better don't move with these windows, and don't open it too often, because for some reason it keeps opening. So hopefully the hotfix will hit soon. And if you want to close these, well, either click the card. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it works. I just couldn't click through the window, or press the advisor hotkey. And don't open it too often. So there's gonna be way too many. Yeah, so little warning there. Hopefully it will get fixed soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please press the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And hopefully, yeah, we'll continue some more quests soon enough. Who knows, maybe it will be legendary. Well, that's all from me for now, so see you next time. Bye!